There's something about adding the structures to your dresses that just gives it this avant-garde couture look. Or is it just me? Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Ifoma. I'm a fashion designer and a pattern dressmaker. We're going to be making the structures today. If this sounds like something you want to learn, then do stay tuned to the end of this video. Don't forget to click on the doorbell bell so you get notified when I post a new video, and subscribe. Starting off strong, we're going to be working with organza fabric for this tutorial, as well as fishing line. Yes guys, we're going to be using fishing line. This is actually a fishing line. It's thicker than this one. This one is the regular one I used to do hand beading, while this one is the one we're going to be using for today's structure and today's tutorial. You want to take the length and the width measurement of your organza fabric. This will help you determine how long your structure is going to be. Done with all of that, you want to take this to your sewing machine to hem the edges. You want to hem the edges in a way that you'll still be able to insert the fishing line. Done with hemming one side, I'm going to flip this over and hem the other side as well. I decided to just reduce the length of my organza before I sewed further, so I just cut off the part I would not be needing. I took this to my ironing board and gave this a good press. As you can see, it looks so nice now. Now you're going to take the measurement 1 inch. So this depends on your preference, and the size of your fishing line will determine how wide your spacing is going to be. So I did this twice so you could understand what I'm doing. So after folding that, you want to create your fishing line case. There are 2 methods to doing this, and I'm going to be showing you guys the 2 methods. This is the first method in which we're going to be doing our fishing line case, and I'm just going ahead to sew this. Here you can see that I use my machine disc plate to my advantage, and I'm just basically going to sew all the way to the bottom part. So I'm just going to take a pause to check and see if my fishing line fits into the case we're making, and yes, it did. So I continued with my sewing. The trick to this is to sew as close as possible and to make as many fishing line case as you can on your organza fabric. Just utilize the width of the fabric. For the second method, I took up my regular foot and inserted my zip foot. You want to place your fishing line in between the organza fabric and sew this down. So you want to sew as close as possible. Imagine sewing, using your zipper foot to sew with your zip. Yes, so that's how you're going to sew this. You're still going to be maintaining the same amount of space as you would if you didn't have any fishing line inside this. So you've gotten to this part of this tutorial and you're not yet subscribed, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Subscription is free, guys. Click on the down bell so you get notified when I post a new video. Leave a comment down below so I know your thoughts and suggestions. Thank you. Let me know in the comment section which of this method you're going to be trying out. Me, I like the first method, so that's what I'm going to be doing. I'm just going to take out the fishing line and continue with the first method. Also change from my zipper foot to my regular foot as well. After sewing all the case for the fishing line, here's what it looks like. Right now, we're going to be hemming the top part. You just decide on which side you want to close. You can close the both sides, but start off by closing one side first so that when you insert your fishing line, it doesn't pass through. This is why I said you should hem the top part so that when you're passing the fishing line, it doesn't go through to the other side. Now what you want to do next is to go low by 1 inch, let's say 1 inch, and then cut off so that it creates this space where you could also hem that part once you're done inserting your fishing line. So you want to insert your fishing line into all the casing we've made for the fishing line. After inserting the fishing line, you should have something that looks like this. You could do this into various sizes. This is for a client actually. If you want to see pictures of the dress, it's going to be on my Instagram page. The link will be in my description box, so you do check that out. We've come to the end of this tutorial. Until then, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.